make we do stunts. You go keep your hand like this. I go run from there. Come match you, do backflip. I believe you. 20 million naira goes to the first runner. White naira goes to the second runner.
5 years of madness.
What's up, guys? I'm on a date. OBIKING, and welcome back again to what I do best, comedy reaction. So, guys, like I told you in my last video, it will be very difficult for me to react these days because I'm going on a training and I won't be around for 2 weeks. You understand? So I'm in a new location and my training is about to start today. So please bear with me. After everything, I'll be back. You understand? So just enjoy this video, guys. Enjoy it. Let's go have some fun.
The world is full of kidnappers. Let me be your Harrison.
Okay.
If you like say you know where. Imagine, you dey find 5.4 million naira.
Omo, you never mature.
Now small picking brain dey your head.
So you said they find 5.4 million naira where you go thief. Imagine. Now pick up plan one is take care of my skin.
Asamo.
Oh boy, this is 2026. We need guys who give us baby girl treatment.
Yes.
Okay. Not an old man like you. And listen, for your information, them not fit kidnap us because God they protect us.
Clock it.
That's not taken serious as if say the whole of the family figures 1 million. They don't kidnap mama pikin. He say na God they protect them. Abi na money una papa no get. So people wey dem kidnap, God no dey protect them, abi.
I wonder.
Imagine you need a baby girl's treatment with your bouncer leg. Madam, idiomatic expression in English, it states that when you kick bucket, it means say you don't die. If you use this kind of like kick bucket, madam, na bucket go break.
Favor more dey go. Favor!
Leave me mad with this guy. You go do like say sabi talk, say you black.
Among all your friends, na only you wear okrika. Your name na favor, but nothing dey favor you.
You dey mad.
Beauty, live and beauty.
Idiot.
Siam, your name na beauty, but your face ugly like account wey money no dey. Start to be like night. I'm late for my kidnapping work.
Yeah, man, I don't finish on a homework.
Bilena will finish her now. Let me don't finish my own.
Okay. But they watch. Put that program now. Where would they watch? Make I watch that one.
Okay, mama.
Ha! Oh, Jesus.
Aha. Yeah, man. Put them back.
Mama, I don't know what you think.
Mgbe na-aga n'ụlọ nwanyị nwere di ya bịa o, ị ga-esi na window ma.
Hell! So, Ima, you mean say me I go cook finish, keep for house? For the one we go use chop. Now you enter there, go to chop the meat inside, okay?
Mama, no,
So now you leave the soup. Oh, yeah, give me that. Bless. Go lock this door, go bring your papa first. If I use it now, no.
Pity me now, pity me. I be your son, I beg now.
Arrest my case. Go to a local. The back jump. Jump.
5 years of madness.
Give them 10 marks.
Okay, you go buy dog. One small English dog like that, now pop you.
Well,
See, I'm here.
hey! Bien! Now you cook it, the cup puppy. Come on, you can tie that in outside, idiot. Get that time back again second.
Okay, why you dey shout? No be business we dey do.
You try body you connect. Leader body die if you be lot of area.
Okay, easy. I don't have
much they won't give you.
Now wait, relax and respond. Please, enough. Maybe that's one of their tactics. Meanwhile, let some people go and find that boy.
Where you dey go? You know say your breed no dey waka for sun.
Nevertheless, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this very dancing competition. 20 million naira goes to the first runner, while 10 million naira goes to the second runner, and 5 million naira to the third runner. And of course, they'll go home with some goodies. As you all know, this dancing competition is proudly sponsored by BetFew. And I'm sure you guys know they predict accurate sports bets. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome the next dance crew. Amuku Dance Crew. Put your hands together for them. All right, thank you very much. That was a wonderful performance. Now, let's make welcome EB Dance Crew. Put your hands together for them.
Wow, please bet.
Sweetie, how are you?
I'm fine.
And today I don't bet fees. When we say they are the best when it comes to sports prediction, all you have to do is click the link on my comment section on my bio and join. It's for free. Guess what? Even if you don't know how to predict games, BetFews is there for you, man. I don't know if I can get your contact. One of these days, more work. Hotel choke. Hey, baby. Sweet girl. Sweet like milk.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's head over to the final stage of this dancing competition. Okay. And after that, we'll call our results. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring back Oto Tibu Dance Crew for their last performance. Put your hands together for them.
One couple.
No could do stunts. You go keep your hand like this. I go run from there. Come match you, do backflip. I believe you. 20 million naira goes to the first runner. White naira goes to the second runner.
5 years of madness.
Sweet orange.
Jesus.
You are the treasure that I seek. You were close to me yet I did not know the love that I seek for me.
Carry your face, what did I go say?
Jesus!
They worry. What's wrong with you? I'm sorry they fall in love. Come, now the sweet orange, I bitter like this. God have mercy upon us.
Jesus. Hey.
Madam, good afternoon.
Nduka.
Madam, can I initiate a transfer to your account tomorrow? Like 200 naira.
What's happened?
No, not at all. The thing is, you go give me Gary today, but by tomorrow I will initiate a transfer to your account and you will receive it immediately.
Run, no.
I think.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Ooh, not dream. Madam, you don't come back?
I don't come back since, so I see you dey sleepy. I say make I no disturb you because nobody know what you go do for night. When make you come here, come dey sleep.
Not dream, they're very considerate. Madam, I feel give you 200 tomorrow.
Why now? You dey share money?
I go collect Gary today, but I'll give you 200 tomorrow.
The blame say that water where I pour you for dream not reach you. I think all this spiritual warning where they give you since you know do you I think. No wahala. Next time when you come collect Gary for credit for this shop, I go poison that Gary give you. Make I see whether you go wake up to come collect something credit for this shop again.
Madam, it's okay. It's okay. So I will look for somewhere else. I'm sorry. It hasn't gotten to that. Please.
Are the guy be this, Baba?
Are the guy be this, Baba?
Yes.
Baba, I forget my phone. Babe. What did they find here?
What did they find here?
Jesus.
You?
Excuse me. Give me my picture there, like this. What did you do? What were you trying to do with my picture?
Now she bring your picture. Now she said, make I lock you. Yeah? It's my duty to lock anyone.
Bring my phone, first. Bring my phone.
I don't want to talk right now. I have headache for my head.
Look this girl picture. The girl where I can't show you say me you scatter the two of us relationship. No, you know recognize the face.
Hey!
Just now where I come out for you.
I don't understand what's in the apple for you.
He bring your picture, say make I scatter relationship. He bring your own, say make I lock him.
Yeah? I don't tell you say this girl na AS. And me I be AS, so no they compatible.
Jesus.
I don't tell you. Because your parents make the same mistake, born you. You want me to make the same mistake, Abi? Hold this phone. Give me my phone first. Give me my phone. You want me to make the same mistake?
What's going on? Why you busy this?
You like the way it no get legs, so you like them?
Yeah? You need to stop all this thing you are doing, please. Stop it. Stop all this thing you are doing.
Where's your leg? Show me your leg. Where's the longest bone in your body? Where's the longest? Where's the longest bone in your body?
Now this is the messenger of the God. Stop it.
Messenger now.
I will strike you. Ibudu.
Baby Joe.
You didn't tell me you are coming. What happened?
I was in your area and I said, let me just drop by. Nothing serious. I needed to tell you that I'm pregnant.
You are pregnant?
Yeah, but never mind. I already removed it.
Ha! You remove it?
Don't worry about it. Stay around. That is what I just wanted to tell you.
Wait. Why you say any girl I give belle go tell me say she don't come out? Every girl I give belle, she will tell me say she have removed it. Am I that useless? Bam. Okay. Bro, tell me the honest truth. Am I useless? Yeah. I'm more fake. Eh?
What's going on here?
Bro, I swear to God, we greet me and you.
Okay. You are useless! I swear to God, if I see my sister or you take my sister, I will break her leg. If you useless, look at you.
Papa, wake up now.
Nine.
Who be this one?
Papa, no like this thing where they do. Papa, stand up now. Papa, no sick,
Papa never pay my school fees,
Hi. Nah, Papa, this is how they behave like say you want die. I hope they don't write your will, I don't go fit drag property. This is how we caught you there, no.
Thunder fire you there. Jesus. Son, I'm off your head.
Jesus. Papa.
Hope say I know they wait for will.
What you believe?
As you they see me so maziabo. Yeah? Only will what I get na the will of God.
Bam.
What type of play?
But I know they laugh.
Hey, yeah. Without you now, who goes you? Why they call this RBS? What are you in the worry?
Baba, you know the sense na dollar dey grand. It dey concern foreign affairs na my jurisdiction. No go dey stress me.
Why that? So they worry. It dey smoke. It dey mad. Where you? Now me be Talkless on here, me the tax collector. I mean 1 year go may survive. I don't act short. We don't do this and this. It dey Jones. Where you? Anything where they happen for this summer from the beginning to the end. Any RBS where they drop for this summer, me I dey collect my percentage. They you dress back.
Baba, the one baby. I'm the son of a praying mother. All you there my head, even my head office there all you mean.
Which all you mean? You dey mad where?
I'm the man with the longest and the shortest as out. Make you not forget say who know about culture shawarma, feed on belly food but never shower. No go stress me,
See this small boy you. Look at you, small boy. You dey challenge me.
Baba, listen to me, The street be like vegetation. To thief na cut and go. They use 10 plan, go thief plantain. No go why me,
Get out.
Baba, listen to me. Who get katana they track mangoes? I go track you.
See, me now while Muku no your jump the shake we say. See, this dollar now 140,000. Just send me 70,000 naira. Take the dollar. Transfer money, give me back. I just go change up for booking my hand.
Baba, call your account.
Sharp.
I don't run out.
Hey.
I got 21 bullets inside of this clip and I'm ready to unload this bitch. You a pussy ass boy.
What it be this? What it be?
Mama, this dollar na fake oh.
What do you concern me? Hey, yeah. The one don't reverse.
What do you consign me?
Bam.
Guy, I swear to God, I don't tire. I don't tire for this life. I swear.
What's happened?
Work where I go for. They don't give me the work now. I'm so sure there's someone in that office that is spoiling my name. Person in that office where they spoil my name.
What make you feel so?
They don't ask me any question. I go for interview, they don't ask me any question. So I didn't take notes and no fit for the work. Only one question that they ask me.
They don't check your CV.
Nothing. They don't check my CV. They don't ask me any. Only one question that they ask me.
What did they ask you?
They just ask me my age.
For interview, what did you tell them?
I tell them my normal age now, 26 years old. 26? Yes, now.
I didn't fuck up. I didn't fuck up now. But then 21.
Why?
You audience.
What? When you start this year? When did you start?
Let me forget you go do.
Madam, I beg you. But I say na traffic with me now. Like, I don't know your package, please. I better don't forget to rate me 5 stars. I need to go deliver another package for another person. I will send my account number for the app. I beg.
Amen. It's not enough for. It go better for you. A new year, new me.
Who is this guy?
What's going on here?
Come on for this place.
Babe, I'm so sorry. Please come in, let's go. I'm sorry, I sent you the wrong address. Please come in, let's go. I'm so sorry. I'm
a goat. Nobody is like me.
What did they have for that coupon?
Oh my God!
My condolences to the family of the deceased. Please take heart.
You have to calm them down.
Bro, we don't know anybody for you. That's calm.
Bro, don't worry. No. I go salute person die now. Normal. I'm over.
Place is so hot. I didn't know funeral can be this nice. Please, can you come? Let me take you to the bath. Somewhere breezy.
Kilo busy.
That is definitely not a good thing. Please give me your number.
But it's not easy.
I want to reach out to you after today to ensure that you're fine.
Let me give you my snap.
Let me call your number too. Please give me your number. Your snap, baby. What snap?
I'm so sorry about what happened. Please, I don't know if you can peck me. Like, it's painful. Like, please peck me. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Who are you to the deceased?
I was her favorite.
Oh, Father, let church comfort you. Who are you to the deceased?
Device favorite.
No problem. I will baptize you later. You guys can go and sit down. I heard she used to sleep on your lap.
Yeah, I miss her so much.
She used to sleep on your lap.
Gathered here this new year in the memory of our. Oh my God, such a pity. Who are you to the deceased?
Pastor, you can stop his name. Who are you?
Make I first clear my throat first.
I want to go chop. Who invite you now? Who invite you now? Come here.
Now my brother say me no pull up.
Now your brother say make you come to this place.
Who die for here?
Now your brother. What speech do you have for the deceased?
He lived a really good life in this world. He didn't have to go. He didn't have to go. To go where? Who is the she?
Mary didn't have to go.
Mary? Is there Mary?
No.
No, Mary.
My dog.
Your dog died.
Sheila.
Your dog. A dog?
I want to leave, baby, don't wanna let me go.
Ọgbọ́n olórí lórí ọgbọ́n yan gidi.
àwọn olórí yẹn ṣá tó bá fọkùnrin yàn gidi tí wọ́n pè látùpà ikú tó bá fẹ́ pa mí kúkú sífìlà lórí mi. Hey, sorry, Baba. Sorry.
Like I could have killed a lot of people.
It is ready, my son.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
This is it. Have it.
Now you are talking.
Anyone you touch with this, we surely pass.
Dead body go surplus.
Only if the person can eat sand. Sand. I'm telling you, my son. Yes. Baba, me thank you so much.
Baba. Jesus. Sorry, Baba. No vessel.
You want to kill me?
Who is there? Come in. Wait, now you slap me. You know where they come from. You slap me. You slap me. Baba, I beg, cut sand for me now, I beg.
Parents, good morning. My husband not there your place.
No, you never see your husband today.
When he come over, the blessing at your side, they come now. How do you try call am for you know they pick my call? My baby know when I make her go find her body they hot.
What did they do?
I don't know, they hot since morning.
Hey, carry her go hospital now.
I need but make her go find her, make her collect money for her, they can go clinic.
So if you not see bad mouth, you no go fit treat the pikin. No, I no work now. Bad mouth pikin and my pikin. Now if you not there alive before normally, I not fit take care of your pikin.
I wonder.
They call your account man transfer for you. How much you take treat her?
64,000.
Jesus. For pikin where they 7 years, so treat her na 64,000. No, wait, make I go bring cash come.
Okay.
Wait, I come.
God have mercy upon us.
Who bought pikin me take care of her? Look at your dad, though. You never settle us if they call shit on your wife.
Hey, he get as he be, oh. He get as he be.
How far, chairman? They don't break. Can't give me my money, make I dey go.
I'm a wicked man. You know what work I wash off? What is that? Dissolve!
Chairman!
Jesus! Jesus!
Baba,
my son.
This thing they walk.
Daddy?
My daughter.
Hey! Jesus!
You!
Body go tell you.
Wait, no time me say use that thing for my daughter.
I don't know, saying your daughter.
You know what? Just press us 10 million.
Child!
Babe! Babe, have you seen my phone?
Look for it now.
People might help me now. For the past 20 minutes, I've been looking for my phone in this house. You're not even helping.
It's your phone now. Now you know where you put it. Look for it.
No, I'm your girlfriend. Are you trying to tell me that this thing you're doing is more important than me, your girlfriend?
In this 2026, I'm trying to stay locked in. Bed Baba is currently giving out 50,000 naira as welcome bonus, and I can cash out up to 100 million naira in a day on Bed Baba. So baby, please let me stay locked in. I beg.
Babe, lock out for now. Come help me for my phone.
Okay, you know what? Use it to call your phone. Maybe you see it.
Babe, I still need your help. Okay, if I'm calling the phone now, how will I hear you from another place?
Yeah, I'm gonna go find out.
Obiri!
Stay locked in. Stay locked in. Let me go find your phone by yourself.
A few moments later.
My phone. My phone. Jesus.
Babe, my phone. So you think I won't find out?